If you have an already made website you want to sell for a higher profit, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to share with you the best or the most trusted places where you can sell your website, whether it is a mobile app, a Shopify store, an e-commerce website, a WooCommerce store, or even a mobile app. Whatsoever you have and you want to sell it, there are places online where you can sell them for a higher profit and you make good money. So if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, I am Faith. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. I help business owners like you build professional websites with WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify. And on this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, web design, and digital marketing. If these are things you love to learn, please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my videos. I'm going to share with you the very best places you can sell your website and make huge money right away. The top website on my list is Flippa.com. This is a global marketplace where you can sell your website, your domains, your online businesses, whatever you want to sell, mobile apps, YouTube channel, email list, whatever digital assets you have. Flippa is the number one you can ever trust. They have escrow service. They can actually help you collect payment. That payment will stay with them until the two parties have come to consensus. They will now release the payment to the parties involved. It's a place where you can sell anything: SaaS, blog, Shopify, AdSense, monetized websites, Amazon, YouTube channel. You can sell anything. They have global influence and they have dominated the market, right? They are the most trusted you can actually use. Right? If you look at here, you can see some of the businesses listed here. You can see this is a SaaS tool, 4-year-old established SEO SaaS, exclusive opportunity for SEO industry. So you can see the type here: internet, other monetization, 4 years old. This is the net profit. You can see all of that. You can watch this listing. You can do a whole lot of things here. Just make sure you observe this place. Then they have a free tool that can help you evaluate your tool. Let's say you have a website like an e-commerce website. You can use their free evaluation tool to know what your tool is worth. Just enter the name of your website here to actually evaluate the tool for you and then tell you how much it will worth or how much you can make selling it here. There is nothing you cannot say here. I mean, a digital tool that you cannot say here. Just take your time, go through it. If you want to actually sell your website on Flippa, I'll put the link in the description here. You can use the link in the description to actually access the website. The number 2 on my list is Empire Flippers. It's another online marketplace where you can sell your digital assets, be it websites, mobile app, and all of that. A lot of people also use this website to do their businesses. As you can see here, dropshipping businesses are selling here, Amazon FBA, they are selling here, affiliate websites, pets, home, and different niches are selling here. You can actually sell your dropshipping store. You can actually use this website to sell anything you want to sell. You just come here, click on get started, then sign up. As soon as you sign up, you will be able to list your tool. And if you want to buy also, you can actually buy here. So the number 3 on my list is Acquire.com. It is the largest marketplace to buy and sell profitable online businesses. So you can actually sell your website here, your mobile app, whatsoever you have, you can sell them here safely. These 3 are the most trusted marketplace to sell your digital assets, especially websites, YouTube channel, domains. You can buy domain shipper from domain registrars, come here and resell it for a higher profit. If you want to do that domain flipping, this is a perfect opportunity for you. You can use Flippa to sell all of that. I'm going to log in now so that you can see. If you want to actually sign up, you can sign up immediately using the link in the description of this video and list your website immediately and start selling. Shopify is selling as fast as possible here on Flippa. I would have shown you some of the businesses that are currently listed here. So let's say if you want to sell, I signed up as a seller, but if you want to buy, you can sign up as a buyer and then you will list your business. So sell with the number 1 blah 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 blah. That is absolutely amazing. I signed up as a seller. You can sign up as a buyer and you can also do a whole lot of things here. You can see their insights, right? As seller, you can see what is currently selling here. Can you see Shopify is always selling? Shopify is always selling, followed by YouTube channel, mobile app. Can you see Instagram? People are selling their businesses here. These are things people are selling on Flippa. So you can consider using this website to sell. See you in my next video.